fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive her. Can I hide away above it all? In the silence is conceited, 'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this hair that I purchased from AliExpress. And yeah, so basically make sure to watch to the end of the video because I'm gonna have my final thoughts on what I think about this hair at the very end of the video. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is how the hair came. They didn't have it in any box or anything. It was just in a poly mailer bag, so I already took that off. Okay, so this is the hair. It's really long. They just have it in a net just to protect the hair and keep it in shape. This hair is really long. It's 26 inches. This hair is actually a teapot lace wig. I thought it was a lace front, but yeah, that's okay because I really don't like lace fronts that much because I usually don't even glue it. But this is just how the lace looks, and this is how the hair is constructed. It's got combs. How many? 4, I believe. Yep, 2 on the side, and then there's one in the center. Yeah, so that's just the hair. That's the curls. Yeah. Okay, let's just get right into the fun bit, actually installing the hair. So before installing it, I'm gonna put some foundation on the lace. So that's just what I'm doing there. I'm applying some foundation. That foundation is actually like a shade darker than my skin, a shade or 2 shades darker than my actual foundation that I use. So yeah, so I'm just putting that all over the lace. After that, I'm just going to use my MAC powder and I'm going to set the foundation so it doesn't get messy and move everywhere. Just in case you're wondering, I cut the lace off camera because it's just too much of a hassle to come on camera to cut the lace. And anyways, now I'm just trying it on to make sure it fits and just making sure that my ears are in the right place, and if there's any hair that needs cutting, so then I'll cut it and get rid of it. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing. Okay, so now that my hair is in the right place, I'm gonna get my ghost bond glue and I'm gonna use that to glue my lace down. So now I'm just gonna push back the hair and then we're gonna place a few layers. I think I placed 1 layer of the glue because this was at nighttime and I'm not gonna go anywhere, and I usually don't use my lace bond, my ghost bond anyway, because I have hair everywhere. Like, just look at it. Yeah, I don't have forehead space to actually glue my wigs down. That's why I always use the free spray. And then, like, I usually don't even wear my wigs anywhere, so there's no point of even keeping them on that long. But I was just exploring and I wanted to see how, you know, how I would do if I use my ghost bond, because the other one was really messy and I wanted this to be different. So that's just, I already fanned out that first layer, so it's clear now. I'm just gonna grab the lace and place it on the glue so that it can stick down, and then I'm just using my fingers to press it down. And yeah, your fingers, a comb or whatever. I grabbed a comb and I'm just using that right now. So I'm just using that to press my lace to make sure it melts or it gets glued down basically. Okay, so now we're also gonna put some of the glue on the other side too, and that's just what I'm doing. Just putting another layer, but this is just one because I put a little bit of the glue, and I'm just gonna, you know, just put it on the other side too, and then we're gonna fan it the exact same thing that we did on the other side, and once it's clear, we're gonna put it back down and repeat the exact same process we did before. Just press it down using your comb to make sure that it melts and it glues down.
At the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime.
Okay, so we're getting some of the glue and we're gonna glue the sides down as well now. So this part usually needs a little bit more glue than the other side. For some reason, this part is always the longest. It takes the longest to glue down, and it's always giving people a difficult time. I don't know why, but yeah, so I'm just spreading some of that glue, and we're gonna repeat the same thing. We're gonna fan it and wait until it's clear, but I don't think I waited. I don't think I waited for this part to be clear because I was starting to get really impatient. I remember when I filmed this, it was so late. I ended up finishing this video at like 3 because I was also on like TikTok live, so this took forever. And the sad part is, after I glued it, I did my makeup and everything, but I didn't even end up filming that much for my TikToks because it was so late and I was so tired. I just wanted to sleep. But anyways, right now I'm just using my Got2b free spray, and I'm just using that to spray onto the lace too, to make sure any other lace that wasn't melted or any lace that was left is just gonna get glued down. And I glued the other side off camera, but yeah, ignore the fact that it looks so messy. I was so impatient because it was so late and I just wanted to get it over and done with. That's why that side, it's a bit messy, but the first side was much more cleaner. I'm just using a wipe and I'm trying to clean up the mess. So now we're gonna get our band and tie it around so that our lace gets melted and it gets, you know, glued down.
In the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open.
Okay, so we're back and our face is beat. We're looking cute or whatever. So we're gonna take off the band and ignore it because it's gonna look quite messy. It's looking very messy because the band was on while I did my makeup. So obviously there's no makeup on, like, you know, the perimeter of my face. So just ignore that. And now we're gonna try and clean off any glue that is left. But this was a bad idea. The fact that, anyways, let's just not get, just ignore, ignore it, okay? And I tried to fix it, but it didn't really work out. You can kind of see. And at this point, it was so late, guys. I'm telling you, it was going to 3 o'clock. So I just wanted to get the installation done. So just ignore the fact that you can see my foundation right there, because some of the glue, I didn't clean it off properly. That's why it's looking crusty, okay? Okay, so I used the dark eyeshadow, that eyeshadow color, the dark brown, and I put it at I put it on my lace because it just really melts into my skin when I do that, because I did that for my other wig and it was looking so good. But yeah, right now I'm using my mousse and we're just placing that at the front where the lace was glued down, and this is just going to break the hair apart and get rid of any like random glue that is just anywhere that is not supposed to be. So that's what the mousse is for, and it's also gonna kind of, you know, give us some curls, definition. Okay, so now I'm just spraying some water and conditioner into my hair. Okay, so now we're gonna use my wax and I'm just gonna put it at the front of the hair because I want it to be laid at the front. Now we're gonna grab our LA Girl Pro Concealer and then we're going to put it in the center because we can hardly see the part. Yeah, so that's what we're doing, and it makes a huge difference. You can already see how much of a difference it makes. Okay, so this is how the hair turned out, and before we waste any time, let's just get right into my thoughts because I have a lot to say about this hair. Okay, so first of all, this hair is synthetic hair, but from the store I bought it from, I got this hair on AliExpress. But the thing is, I honestly think I got deceived because I got this on AliExpress, and after reading all the reviews, I was so convinced that this hair was going to be so bomb because all the reviews, the hair was looking so good. It almost looked like human hair. So I was so confused when I got this hair. When I received it in the mail, I was even confused, like, this is not what I saw online. So because this hair here, it's more synthetic than what I saw online. This wig, it tangles so much, like I couldn't even run my fingers through this hair, you guys. I even checked before. I was trying to find more details about this hair, but I couldn't find the store. Well, I found the store, but they don't have any more items. I don't know if they closed down or what happened, but there's nothing on their store anymore. Even this hair is not available anymore, so I'm not going to be able to link it for you guys, because just in case if somebody likes it, because I honestly don't like it. You can see me in the video, I was trying so hard to like it, but afterwards I just didn't like it at all. Anyway guys, you've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time. Bye.